Nasaan ka?
Hello.
Wala
Andito na kami sa airport.
Oo nga, hinahanap ka namin, hihahatid ka namin.
Akala namin wala pa ba si Brother Noel dito? Masyado naman kaming nauuna. Anyway, andito kami just to say hello and goodbye and see you again. It's not yet the end.
Yes.
We'll see you in the Philippines. At kumusta na lang
Sa family.
sa family. Good luck,
Good health.
good health.
God bless you.
God bless you,
And
and-
don't forget, the MQPC choir will always be with you in prayer.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Sing out, enjoy.
Thanks for everything, Brother Noel. Bye.
Bye!
Hello, Brother Noel. Magpo-for good ka na daw. Na-surprise naman ako dun. Sabi ko, ang saya pa naman ng magkakasama. Lalo pagka yung season, like Christmas, mga New Year, yung mga ganon. Anyway, maraming salamat and good luck and God bless sa new assignment na binigay sa iyo ni Lord na sa Philippines naman. And marami ka nang na-touch na lives dito sa Abu Dhabi, sa St. Joseph Church. Marami ka nang natulungan para magkaroon sila ng feeling of hope na may pag-asa, lalo yung mga kabataan, mga youth. And God says it's now time to go to Philippines and do the new mission that been assigned to you. Just don't worry, kahit nasa Philippines na tayo. Remember the Psalm 23 that the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down on green pastures. So, hindi tayo magwo-worry kung wala na sa work. Si Lord na yung bahala and God will provide. And it's now time to share the good news in the Philippines, especially for the people who will be closer to you. Thank you and good luck. God bless always and take care of the health. Okay? Take care of the health. Hindi ko mabitawan cellphone ko kaya hindi ako makapag-heart. Bye-bye. Take care.
Kuya Noel, we will miss you. I miss you too. And you are my confidant through music. Hoping na you're in a good and your future and your journey be blessed always. Thank you.
Hola, Kuya!
Hello po, Tito Noel. We just wanted to say na thank you for your time po and your dedication during your stay with us po sa choir.
Hello, Kuya Noel. Maraming salamat sa mga happy memories that we made together at sa mga pagturo mo sa amin sa choir. We will miss you.
We love you
Take care.
and God bless.
God bless.
Good evening. By the time I'm reading this right now, so thank you, brother. Thank you, Tito Noel, for everything that you've been doing for the MQPC from the very start, and I can't help but be appreciated. And yeah, sorry we couldn't get to the MQPC intramurals or instruments, but time runs short. But I hope you have a great day soon ahead, and farewell in Philippines, and yeah.
Hi Kuya Noel, first of all, I would like to thank you for being outstanding, remarkable, extraordinary, splendid, and marvelous talent you have shared into MQPC family. Especially me, I am thankful enough that you have trusted me before singing the song. So thank you so much. Wish you all the best. I love you.
Hello, Kuya Noel. May the God's blessing on you and thank you for all you do in the service of God. And this is not a goodbye, but see you again. Makita tapo sa Cebu, Kuya. We love you, Kuya.
Shalom, Kuya Noel. Unang-una, gusto kong magpasalamat sa iyong malaking contribution sa paglago ng Mary Queen of Peace Choir. Maraming salamat sa iyong many years rendering your service with Mary Queen of Peace Choir. I'm so happy and sad. I'm so happy because makakasama mo na ang iyong buong pamilya, lalong-lalo na ang iyong asawa si Ann. I'm sad dahil hindi ka namin makakasama sa ating mga services dito sa Abu Dhabi, dito sa St. Joseph Church. But this is not a goodbye. I know this is not a goodbye kasi alam ko magkikita-kita din po tayo sa Pilipinas if God's willing po. Don't worry po at kasi we will keep intact the Mary Queen of Peace Choir. We will do our best to keep intact the Mary Queen of Peace Choir kasama ng ating pianista na si Jaden at ang ating choir master na si Raf po. Kasama ang buong Mary Queen of Peace Choir family po. We will surely miss you and take care with the whole family. Keep safe, keep healthy. Keep young while you are with your family and all the best life with your whole family back in Philippines. Thank you so much, Kuya Noel. God bless you always. God bless you.
Unang-una, I praise and I truly thank God na pinagkaloob ka ng Panginoon sa grupong ito. I still remember those humble beginnings na 4 lang tayo, pero you remain steadfast in your love and services to the church through this team, committed at talagang masasabing nandun ang pasensya. Salamat bro, salamat Noel, at panalangin ko na lang na sa iyong pag-uwi ay magpatuloy ka ng iyong paglilingkod sa Panginoon, ha? Matuloy kang gamitin ang iyong gifts na bihira, so to speak, kasi ikaw nga mahusay sa keyboard at kayang-kaya matugtugin ng isang pyesa o isang kanta na kumbaga kahit na noon mo pa lang na pakinggan, pwede mo nang kuhanin kagad. You will be like the team that we receive in the Philippines, the music team will truly appreciate that and they will really, have that kind of regard for you. So, we truly pray na maging masaya ka sa Pilipinas and magpatuloy ng inyong paglilingkod at pagmamahal sa Kanya. Salamat din sa mga outside the team na ipinagkaloob mong services sa simbahan. Alam mo na yun. Thank you. Thanks a lot. It is always recorded in the hearts of the Lord, I know. And lalo-lalo na yung mga sakripisyo na yung pinagkaloob. And always be reminded, finally, na Word of God for you, ha? Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11. For I know what my plans for you, plans to save you, not to harm you, plans to give you a future and to give you hope. And Romans 8:28, for everything works for the goodness of all those who love Him and called for His purpose. So, patubayan ka ng Panginoon at patuloy kang tulungan ng ating mahal na Birheng Maria.
Dear Brother Noel, thank you for many years of faithful service in different choirs, using your talents in service to the Lord. Whether it has been a summer camp mass, a weekday mass, a Sunday mass, Saturday mass, novena mass, you have always been ready to offer your time and your musical talents. Now, as you go back to enjoy a well-deserved retirement, I pray that the Lord may continue to bless you and to fill you always with that same enthusiasm and joy to serve Him and to use your talents for His glory wherever you may be. You will be missed at St. Joseph and by more people than you can imagine. God bless you.
God bless you.